What's on, guys? Cause Crypto here with another video. In today's video, we look at the market, see how everything's going. Reasonably, we're seeing a bit of a spike again in the market, not like a significant one, but we're seeing prices come up again a little bit. As we can see, the current market cap of the cryptocurrency space is 3.32 trillion, so it's up just shy of 2%. On the daily, and fear and greed is around 58, so we're quite neutral still, and altcoin season's at 24. So as we can see here, Bitcoin currently trading at 105,300, and on the daily it's up nearly 1%. Ethereum trading over that $2,600 mark, and having just a 5.25% increase on the daily. So Ethereum looking very strong. This is probably where we're starting to see kind of Ethereum starting to take charge a little bit. And then XRP trading at $2.20, holding that line of kind of like support/resistance at the minute. More kind of an accumulation sort of area at the minute for XRP, but just under 2.5% on the daily, and down on the weekly about 5%. And then Solana, on the daily it's up 4.5%, so that's good to see for Solana. Hyperliquid up just over 14% on the daily, so it's good to see there. And trading at a market cap of 12 billion, so quite a large market cap there. And Sui trading at 1.75% on trading at $3.32 and up 1.75% on the daily, around just over $11 billion market cap. And then Chainlink doing not too bad as well. Let's have a look though at the charts and BTC. So as we can see here, guys, we are still closing on the daily yesterday, coming into today at 105,900 near enough. So we're still not breaking over that 106 mark, which again for us now is a level of resistance for the time being, since obviously Trump announced the 50% to the EU on aluminium and steel. But again, people are stating whether it's the M2 money supply of the global money supply. Markets at the minute are kind of just all over the shop. People can't really read whether we're going to go up, go down, or if we're going to come down first and come back up. So at the minute we're looking at, if we can break on the daily above that 106,000 on the daily candle, maybe then we're starting to see a bit of a push. Again, we're kind of holding levels of 104,000, coming to 103,000 on the daily over the last couple of days. But it is possible to come down to this kind of 102 mark and wick down to the kind of to the 101,000 range. It is possible to have these pullbacks, but again, I think everyone in the cryptocurrency space at the minute cannot read what's happening, because you can. It's so how do I say? I say volatile, but it is, because obviously we had this downpour from where are we to here, from 111,800 all the way down to the wick down here. So we come down nearly 8% just in literally 8 days. So we have a wick down quite a bit for Bitcoin. But yeah, we will see what happens. But guys, at the minute on the daily, the RSI is currently around that neutral level, and on the daily as well, we are trading well above the 50 and the 200-day moving average, which is great to see. But look, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. So over the last couple of days it has come down a little bit, and we've broken that, which is good level of support. Again, we wicked over it a bit, had a couple candles close on the daily above that 64.2% of Bitcoin dominance of the whole cryptocurrency space. But now we're starting to see it come back down a little bit. Hopefully we can start to see candles close below this and altcoins start to push on a little bit more. If we go down to the 4 hourly here, so just coming down a little bit, seeing hopefully that Ethereum's picking up a little bit of steam, as we can see here. In the last day, I know we just said it was 6.4%. But coming from here, or 5.25, sorry. So coming from here up to this high here. So you might actually hit a high of about 7%, literally, if we wick up to that high. And on the daily, I'm pretty sure we did close over the 2.6. Let's double check. So on the daily, yeah, so just over actually. So we literally closed over the $2,600 range. Realistically, you want to hit that 2,700 to 2,800. I mean, again, we haven't really had any candles in a long time. Again, here we kind of wicked over for a bit, but then we had a sudden sell-off back in February. But it's been nearly 4 months where we haven't had a candle close over 2,700, so it's definitely something to keep an eye out for. And then XRP, guys, I mean, look at it, it's traveling quite flat. Again, I put this triangle in a couple days ago just to see kind of where we are ranging on the daily. At the minute we're kind of ranging in it, so possibly we could see a breakout, obviously trading under the 50-day EMA but well above the 200. And RSI is still very neutral in XRP because we are accumulating quite a bit here at the minute. I mean, and if we go back to the 12th, which was it $2.60 we hit a high of. I mean, from that high down to the lowest point here, you're looking at 22% sell off in just shy of 3 weeks. So something significant there. And then let's look at Sol as well. So Sol at the minute trading on the daily above, just below the 200 EMA, but just above the 50 EMA. So currently holding levels there. I mean, we've had a significant sell-off with Sol over the last couple of days as well. Holding well that 145 level of support, and then resistance here at about one. Support it was, but now it's turned into a bit of resistance over the last couple of days of 165, 160, 165. But if we look from highs here down to lows here, 20% sell off for Sol, so it's quite significant for me. Pick up some bags of Sol, that's what I'm going to be doing. Again, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just a guy who loves cryptocurrency and loves to chat. So just enjoy your cryptocurrency. Don't get too involved with it in the sense of life or death, and put too much money into it, because again, you need to make sure that you can pay bills, have food, and also mental health and stuff like that is very important, like stress, etc. And I just want to look at Casper a minute. So Casper at the minute is trading just below 9 cents. So on the daily we closed below that 9 cents range, and again, there wasn't really much movement on this daily candle here. So we came out at about 8.9 cents. So again, because Bitcoin's trading below 9 cent, below 106,000 on the daily, once we get that kind of confirmation above the 106, I mean, there with Bitcoin, it's dependent on, okay, are we going to start taking out liquidations? Because the liquidation map at the minute, so on the daily, believe it or not, shorts are taking over. If this barnacle thing will load, there we go. So shorts, so on the daily, 100, so just shy of $500 million, and longs we're starting to get a couple in now. So longs on the daily have taken over a little bit. On the 7 daily there, I think shorts have taken over. I mean, look at that, 2.5 billion, and then 1.5 billion. So in the last 7 days, people and the market are anticipating everyone going Bitcoin's price to come down rather than people going long. So the long liquidations, you're looking at around possibly like that 102 range, and then we might pop up then to your kind of I mean, how much have we got here? So 2.5. So even we go halfway of that, so 2.5, we got about, let's say there. So we could be hitting about 110. So whether we come back down to 102, take out the shorts, and then take out the longs, and then we push on to take out the shorts, we might hit some stop losses around here. On the 30-day, I'm pretty sure longs are still quite strong. Yeah, look at that. I mean, we got 7 billion. I mean, have we got which one? Bitcoin itself. BTC. That's fine. But yeah, anyway, so with the shorts, we're looking at probably, yeah, we've got 3.8 billion, whereas longs have got about 6 billion. So again, guys, people on the 30-day still more going long, and that could, again, if we come down to, we've got just shy of 6 billion, so let's say even half. I like to just compare, just imagine just getting half fit and maybe some stop losses on the way. You're looking at about 100k, possibly getting some stop losses around, your 99, high 99, maybe 98. And then obviously with inflows and outflows, we've got quite a few of a bit more kind of inflows over the last couple of days. So with ETH we have, and with BNB, but with Bitcoin still got 131 million of outflows, and on the weekly nearly 1.5 billion. Ethereum 400 million, XRP 77 million, so nothing as big. Sol, we've seen a big outflow there of 233 million, so very significant. But guys, just looking here, obviously Trump administration demands final trade deals offers from countries by Wednesday, being tomorrow. So guys, this is why no one can read the market at the minute. We don't know what Trump's going to do. We don't know what news can come out. And obviously tariffs have been paused on Chinese goods until the 31st of August, which is great to see. Hopefully then, but again, with this here, I think that's excluding China, we could probably see some pushing on with deals done with like EU, etc., and other countries. But again, it depends how that goes tomorrow. So I wouldn't, with the market, no one can read where it's going. Just be careful what you're doing. And again, I mean, the US debt is now at a record 36 trillion. To get that kind of reduced is, Dodger's doing what he can, but, whilst he was in. But yeah, we will see what's going on. And M2 money supply hit an all-time high of 21.86 trillion. So if the Bitcoin is following that, then, Bitcoin will be hitting some very significant highs. But yes, guys, at the minute, looking at just the kind of trends on Google, I always look at Bitcoin and XRP just because I feel like they're the ones over the last 6 months that have been mostly searched. But I'm just comparing over the last 5 years. But guys, we are, here today, Bitcoin's at 16, XRP's at 8. All right, guys, bear market times, let's go 2023, so 17. Bitcoin is at all-time lows on Google Trends and XRP. So, XRP could go down to a 3, but still, they're all on very low kind of trending or search terms being used for those terms. And as well with the Coinbase app, guys, all apps, 416 and 33 in the finance market apps. Guys, not many people are interested now, so be careful. Again, there might be some volatility over the next couple of days because of news of Trump, and we don't know what's going to happen. But I know I've got some capital now. I'm keeping it on the side. I'm getting ready to put in on some coins. I put a little bit in already just because I'd rather get in now just in case things do pump. So I've put in about 30% on all the coins I want to put in on, and I want to put in another 30 to 40 when things drop a little bit, and then I will just go from there just to keep capital on the side. But that's for you today, guys. I hope you have a lovely week, and look after yourselves, look after anyone you love, and keep fit and well, and have a good one.